So guys, yesterday we discussed about basics of stock market, different asset classes, okay, and many other basic terminologies. So do you guys have any other doubt or any other question from yesterday sessions? Everyone, kindly please let me know in chat box. You can also let me know with your voice inputs, yes or no. Everyone,
Yes, ma'am. It was very clear.
it was very clear, right? What about
Yeah.
others, guys? At least can I get inputs in chat, please? It is my request. You know, guys, things are very
Yes,
simple.
ma'am, it was clear.
The more interactive you guys keep this session, it will allow me to share more knowledge. Trust me, guys, please. If you guys are not comfortable on mic, then you can let me know in chat box also, guys, please. But please make sure you are active. Okay, perfect, no problem. So guys, now here we are starting our day two training now. Okay, so the agenda of today's training is, first we are going to learn about market participants. After that we are going to learn about trading and investing psychology, and after that we are going to learn about options trading data structure. Okay, so now let's start our day. Let me go ahead and delete this first. Market participants. So, guys, understand, in market participants, if we discuss this, like normally in market, there are only two participants. Okay. One is buyer, okay, which is known as the demand, which is also known as a green candle on chart. And one is seller, which is known as a supply creator, and which is also known as a red candle. Okay. So these are the two participants in the market right now. Okay. Now, my question is over here, guys. Do you really think that as a retail trader, like you and me, do we have that much capacity wherein we can bring that much movement into the market, everyone? Do you guys think this? Is it possible for all of us? Yes or no? No, right? Just because Madhumita is trading, just because Kushmit is trading, just because Devansh is trading, just because Mehul is trading, and there's a movement in market. No, we all are retail traders, guys. So, who creates all the movement in the market? Who create all the volatility in the market? Yes, Kushmit, institutions. Very good, perfect. But now here I will be explaining that institution parts in a very clear manner, so you guys will be having proper idea. Okay, so let's start with the institution part over here. So there are two types of institution, FII and DII. Okay, FII stands for foreign institution investors. DII stands for domestic institutions investor. Okay, so these are the people actually who influence entire market. Okay, so now I'll just create one small mind map for all of you, which will help you to understand how exactly these things are working. Okay, wait. So here, if I talk about foreign institution investor, here again we have banks, we have pension funds, we have insurance company, we have broking houses. One second. Apart from that, we have AMC companies. Okay. So these are the participants, okay, who actually are foreign institution and domestic institution investors. So basically, now here, if I talk about foreign part, so in foreign, who we have, like Bank of America, you can also take JP Morgan. I will read few of them. I'll name few of them, okay? We can take Goldman Sachs, okay? So any mutual fund company from USA or any other country. Okay, so these people are FII. Okay, now let's talk about DII, Bank of Baroda, something which is related to India. Okay, you can also take it as a mutual fund like SBI mutual fund. Okay, you can also take LIC as an insurance company. Okay, everyone. So all these are the examples of FII and DII. So guys, understand who are they? Basically, guys, they come up in market with the big money, and the money they have that belongs to public actually. Okay, the money that they are getting into the market. Okay, money which is invested or traded by them that belongs to public. So now here what happened, guys? These people are very huge pocket people. So what happened, guys? Because of they have good churn of money, they have three things, guys. They have money, they have network, and they have power wherein they can get movement into the market. Okay, they have all these three things. Now understand, guys, they have money. Okay, they have employees. Okay, wherein employees do research for them daily for 6 to 7 hours, and based on that they do take very big transactions. Okay, because of that big transaction market gets influenced, as I said, power over here. Because of that we are getting all the movement into the market. Everyone, if I want to give you example on this part, what I will do, I'll go to Google and I'll just type FII and DII data. I'll just type this over here. So now here you can go to any random website. Okay, for example, I'm here right now. So if I go on monthly data, if you see, guys, October 2024, the money which was coming from outside in our Indian stock market, that was taken out again. The amount was 1,14,445 CR. November, December, January, February. All these months were major selling. Like what FII people did, they withdrew that money from the Indian stock market. So now understand this here. What happens if they are taking money out from the market? Okay, I'll open the chart of Nifty. Yesterday I thought you, right? Nifty is our benchmark index. So definitely there will be an impact on the benchmark index. See this. So this is our Nifty chart right now. I'm coming to the 1 month time frame, guys. Now if you see this, I'm just zooming out all my candles, wherein you will be having proper months and everything written over there. So guys, now see this. This candle belongs to October month candle. If you see below the other date, it's a red candle. October, November, December, January, February. Here, October, November, December, January, February. Again, they came back March, April, May. March, April, May. And currently, June is very indecisive. Why indecisive? Because right now there is no clarity whether they are going to buy or sell. Currently, they are selling. It's a negative 4,978. Okay. Now, let me be very clear, guys. This FII people are like very greedy. Okay. Wherever they see profit, they take our money there. Okay. So right now, there's a very big global tension going on between Israel and Iran. And also America is supporting Israel unofficially right now. So yeah, that thing has created panic in the market. So that's the reason what FII are thinking right now, that right now it's not a good time to enter into the Indian market. Why? Because Iran produces a crude oil. Okay. What Iran produce? Iran is producing crude oil. And right now crude oil prices are very high. If you look at the crude oil chart, you will come to know that. So what happened if India is importing crude oil much more costlier? It will definitely create impact on Indian stock market. So I hope now you guys understood this, right? That Why FII and DII involvement is important in Indian stock market? Everyone, hello, guys, kindly reply me in the chat box, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, what about others?
Madam, I need some uh, less clarity about the means.
I
What is how the impact is done when the Israel and means there's war is getting to impact the
Okay, so
stock market.
stock market. Look, there is, if there's any global crisis, there will be impact on stock market. Like if I want to give you another example, recently what Trump said that I will be applying reciprocal taxes on all the countries. Like for example, if you are charging 10% tax to USA, USA will charge you 20% tax. Right? Are you aware about this news right now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, during that time what happened, market crashed drastically. Why? Because many industries were under pressure of taxes, that how much USA is going to charge tax. Like China, if you see, China market was continuously down. Why? Because first USA applied 60% tax. What China did? 120% tax. After that, what USA did? 240% tax. After that, what China did? Directly 480% tax. Like they were playing tax game. And what things were getting impacted? Global market was getting impacted. Are you getting my point now? If I ask you to pay, like imagine you are a business owner, you have your manufacturing unit, you are doing something, like you are supplying something to the USA right now. All of a sudden US will ask you that whatever you are supplying us, we will be charging you 20% tax on that. Previously it was only 5%. It will create impact on your market, right?
Of course, sir.
Yep. So now, because of that, that will impact your business, and stock market is made from the business. So if there is something going wrong with all the businesses, then definitely market is going to suffer, right?
Yes,
I hope you understand with this proper example, sir.
yes, yes, yes.
Everyone, kindly please reply to my question. Understood? All of you? This part?
Yes, ma'am.
Just type one in the chat box, guys, please. So I'll be able to understand that yes, you guys understood. Only type one. Okay, perfect. So, guys, when these people are taking their money out from the market, yep, there will be definitely negative impact. When these people are coming into the market, then yet definitely there will be a positive impact into the market. Okay. So these are the number one participant. Now let's focus on number two participant. Okay. The number two participant is HNI. High net worth individuals. Everyone, high net worth individuals. Now understand, guys, this party is like very selfish party. Okay, this party is very selfish party. Like whenever they come into market now, they don't create impact on entire market. They will only create impact on the stocks in which they are heavily invested. Okay, I have example for them, but understand this, just because they have money, so here they have money, because of money they have network, but they have no power. They have no power. I'll tell you why. For example, if I go here, see this. Here, if you see, this is the website. The website name is Trendline, guys. Okay. So just by going on this website also, you will be able to see the HNIs, where exactly they are investing their money. If I talk about Mukesh Ambani and family, okay, they are heavily invested in their own stocks. Okay, so let's not talk about them. Let's talk about Premji and Associates. Let's see where exactly they are heavily invested. Okay, they are also heavily invested only in their own stocks. Okay, I will not watch them. Let's talk about Radhakishan Damani. So this guy is invested in multiple stocks, guys. See this. Avenue Supermart, it's belong to DMart, so he's the main promoter. So that's the reason, like, he's invested almost 1,84,969 crore. Okay, but apart from that, if you see Trent, VST Industries, United Breweries, 3M, Sundaram Finance, okay, all these are different business in which he is heavily invested. He is heavily invested, if you see. So in Trent, holdings are stable. Like in June 2024, it was 1.3%, which he increased to 1.5%. In VST Industries, if you see, his holding March 2025, it is 29.1%. Previously in June 2024, it was 34.7%, 32.7%. So whenever these people are coming into the market, they are very selfish. Okay, what they will do, they will only invest in that particular stock wherein they want to invest. Okay, and only that particular stocks will impacted. Only that particular stocks will be having proper movement. Just look at this, guys. They are not investing in any large cap stock. They are only investing in mid cap stock. Apart from Avenue Supermart, I don't see like among them anything is large cap. All the stocks are mid cap actually. So you guys can see this. So if I want to write a proper statement, they only create movement in stock market into the stocks in which they are heavily invested. So basically what I said, they have money. Because of that, they have network, but they don't have power to control market. Everyone, I hope now this example is enough for all of you to understand this, who are HNIs, right? Everyone? Guys, please reply me in the chat box
Yes, ma'am.
quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions for this party, HNI party? Everyone? Okay. Now coming to the retailer, guys. Who are retailers? We are retailers. So now here, as a retailer, we have no money. We have no power. Because of no money, no power, no network. Then what we do have? Guys, we have unsolicited Telegram channels. We have unsolicited YouTube channels. We have news channels. We have information which is publicly available. We have like random friends, those who are helping us for investing and trading into the market. But guys, there is no strong evidence that we have someone who is actually helping us. Then what we have to do? We have to work on our own analysis, guys. Trust me. I have one question, guys. Recently, we saw that many HNIs are investing in many stocks just by following them blindly. Is it possible? Like, is it a good way to follow them blindly and invest in their stocks? What do you guys say? Can you reply to my question? Following HNIs blindly and investing in their stocks, is it going to give us benefit? Everyone, tell me yes or no.
Can you please repeat that one, please?
You want me to repeat my question?
Yeah.
Okay, my question is like, for example, if retailers are following HNI stock selection, is it going to benefit retailer? That's my question.
Yeah, it may be.
It may be. Okay. Guys, I'll say no. And everyone, those who are so no, they are correct. I'll tell you why. Guys, understand, they are investing in market with huge capital, like crores and lakhs. Okay. For example, imagine if they have taken like 1 crore quantities or like 1 lakh quantity of any XYZ company. And even if that stock moves 2 rupees, indirectly, means or not directly, they are getting profit of 2 lakh rupees. Are you getting my point? And same thing even we are doing. But we are coming up with a small capital. Let's assume that I have taken that stock only 10 quantities, only 10 shares. So here how much gain I am getting? Only 20 rupees. So blindly following them is not a solution. Guys, understand. It is very important for all of us as a retail trader that we should have a knowledge of our fundamental and technical. So we should be able to find the logic behind each and every single trade. They are trading with very big capital, guys. Even 2 rupees, 3 rupees moment will giving them a very good returns. Is that clear to all of you now? Everyone about market participants?
Got it.
Everyone, any questions for me among all this participant? So if I want to give you one example how these participants behave in market, let's take there is a FII. Okay, what FII did? FII bought 1 lakh quantity of XYZ industry. Okay. Now DII, understand what DII will do? DII will get nearby 50,000 quantity. You can see slowly the capacity is decreasing based on the selection. HNI has like hardly 10,000. Sorry, I'm just giving random number, guys, for the example. Okay, 25,000 quantity of XYZ industry. Similarly, retailer will have only 10, 100, 200 or max 500 quantities. Everyone, I hope now you guys understood, right? So this people impact entire market. Whatever positioning, sizing they do, that creates impact on entire market. And here, if you look at this HNI, they only create impact on particular stock. And retailer, no impact. I mean to say always impacted because of big pocket. Okay, guys, I hope now this part is very clear to all of you, right? Everyone? Hello, guys? Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys, kindly please reply me in chat box, please. Okay. Now let's move to the another topic. Market. One second. Let me draw a table. So here we have trader, and here on top we have investor. I'm increasing the fonts. Wait, okay. Guys, I know today the training I'm taking it's on computer, so it's a little bit harder for me because I'm typing right now. Just make it center. Okay. So now let's understand them. The trader and investor part. Okay. So guys, here again, even if you're a trader or investor, guys, it is very important that you should have a proper understanding of your data and logic. You know, guys, why I'm saying this? It is important for both of them. So, yep, fundamental and technical. Both the aspects are required for both of them. Okay. Because after then only you will be able to manage your trades and everything. So here, if you're a trader, guys, you will be having maximum screen time. Like if I talk about maximum screen time, I mean to say in one single day, on an average, and trader gives like 3 hours to 4 hours to market for charts and analysis. Okay. Similarly, guys, if you guys are investor, okay, hardly maximum you will be giving 30 minutes to 1 hour a day. That's it, not more than that. Because here you are not doing trading. You are hardly like planning your trades, your positions. Okay, I'm coming on that point right now. So here we have maximum screen time. Here we have less screen time. Okay. Now coming to here trader part, guys. So in trader, we try to catch small market movement. I mean to say, even when market is going up in smaller time frame. Okay. Even when market is going up in smaller time frame, that smaller time frame is going to be like, let's assume 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. Okay. So here, when price is going up, we will try to trade. When price is going down, again we'll try to trade. Means here we are taking benefit of small movements in the market. So yep, definitely there are like multiple trades we are taking in one single day, maximum 2 to 3 trades a day. But guys, here in investing part, things are altogether different. In investing part, things are altogether different. Here we try to catch big market movement. Like here we are not dependent on small time frame. We are dependent on bigger data like 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. Okay. So based on this price movement, we plan our trades, and maximum 2 to 3 trades in a month. Okay. Apart from that, now understand this. Here we do basically scalping. Like normally, if you're focusing, so scalping. Scalping means what? Taking benefit of small movements. I mean to say, guys, here hardly your trade will last for like few minutes, like 3 minutes. It can be 3 minutes. It can be 10 minutes. It can be maximum 30 minutes, not more than that. That's it. You got your moment, you captured 10-15 points, then you're done for that particular trade. So here your entry, your exit, your target, everything is planned on small movements that you get in market. Similarly, guys, now if I look here we try to do directional trade. Why? And here, as I said again, we are trying to capture big movements. So here again, as I said, we need this. Our trades will be last here for like more than 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. Okay. And entry, exit targets, everything is dependent on big movements that get in market. Everyone, are you guys able to understand this part that I'm teaching you right now? All of you, please kindly let me know in chat box. It is my request. Hello, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now here, guys, risk management. When I'm talking about risk management, guys, you need to make sure everything is well planned. Where to enter, till when to enter, when to exit, everything. So your risk management plays very important role. You need to be very quick decisive. As these trades are going to last only for few minutes, because here what we are doing scalping over here. Small trades. Okay. Same thing, guys. Here again in investing also risk management part plays very important part. But again here you don't have to be very quick decisive because here you are trading on the big data. Okay. So you can easily plan your risk management, easily plan your entry, exit, and target everything. But yeah, risk management is important in both cases. Now coming to the return part, that how much returns you should expect into the market. Okay. So if you're doing guys scalping, okay, and if you're gaining 15% to 35% return, okay, in that particular day, including brokerage, I'm talking, okay, then close your trade, that like close your trading system for the day. Number one. Number two, take maximum 2 failing trades with risk management. If you see your 2 trades are failed for the day, stop trading for that particular day. Never hold losses, guys. Okay. If you see there's a stop loss, avoid. Same thing, guys. Now coming to the investor part. If you see here we are doing here there are multiple options, guys. Here we have swing trade. Here we have positional trade. And here we have long term. Okay, there are this type of trading positions we have over here. So guys, the swing trade positions are will last for hardly for weekly. Okay, this trades on weekly basis. The positional trades are on monthly basis. And long term are, guys, like in this here you have your mutual funds, you have ETF, you have bonds, and even you have stocks over here. Okay, so what happens now? Here if you are focusing on swing trade, maximum 3% to 10% in one single trade if you are doing a swing part. Okay, if you're going for positional, here what you can do, you can plan for 8% to 22%. And long term and rest all things are like based on like your long term goals and everything, guys. And once like if you see like you got that particular return now, close system for that particular month. Never ever plan your over trades, guys. Trust me. Take maximum 2 failing trades with risk management. Stop trading for that particular month or week. And guys, all these returns I have written based on my returns, okay, which I'm gaining from the market. Okay. So everyone will have a different risk management and different trading psychology. So now here in trading part, what we do, we can do trading in options, index option, stock option, commodity, Okay, in this we can do our this trading. We can do, yes, intraday. And here we have stocks, mutual fund, ETF, bonds. Is this clear to all of you now? Everyone? Hello? Guys,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you please reply me into the chat box. Now this part is clear to all of you?
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
If we are getting profit, so why should we stop our trading up for the day or particular that month?
Okay, ma'am. What's your favorite food?
Ma'am,
Any random food.
roti sabji.
Roti sabji. Okay. If I ask you to eat roti sabji in excess, it will create impact on your health, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So, ma'am, if you do excess trading, that will create impact on your capital. Why? Because market is not going to work according to you, right? Market has to turn around.
Okay.
Your analysis will be only right for once or twice. Like the rotis, you will only like to eat roti sabji if I give you in proper proportion. If I give you in excess, you will start avoiding that. Similarly, market will start avoiding you. Okay,
Okay.
is that
Means
clear now?
we will start getting losses.
Yes, that is what I'm saying, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah. Who else? Guys, any other question? Okay. Shall we move to the another topic now?
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, please do reply me in the chat box, please. Okay, perfect. Chalo. Now here, types of orders and brokerage. Okay. Guys, now see, this is very important topic. Okay. I really want you guys to complete this first. Okay. If you're doing it, it would be great. You will be able to understand things much more in easy way. Okay. So let me get my table again. Okay. So guys, here we have stocks. Here we have options. Okay. 1 second. Okay. So guys, why are we looking into this right now? It is very important for all of us to know the order placing part, guys. Okay. Why I'm asking you guys to learn this order placing part? Because tomorrow when we will start learning structure about options trading, you should know that how exactly brokerage charges and orders are getting based on the data. Okay. So here, let me add one more. 1 second. Okay. So guys, now let's understand this first. The thing which I'm trying to explain now. So types of order, guys, here in stock market, there are many types of order. Number one is, guys, if I say normal buying and normal selling, we do. Okay? Normal buying and normal selling. If you're doing in stocks, there is only government taxes. Okay. But if you are doing this in options or commodity, buying and selling plus government taxes will cost you altogether 40 plus government taxes. Okay. Normal buying and normal selling, guys, it is normal. Okay, I won't exaggerate on this. Okay, but the second, stop loss, buying, and normal selling. Here, guys, in this, if you're doing it in stocks, again, as I said, only government taxes. But here in options, the charges are 40 rupees plus government taxes. Means it directly comes near 45 rupees, 46 rupees. Okay. If I talk about this limit buy order, limit buy and normal selling, again, in stocks, no charges, only government taxes. But here, buying will cost you, buying and selling will cost you 40 rupees plus government taxes. Similarly, normal buy and limit sell. This will cost you only government taxes, but in options trading and commodity, it will cost you 40 rupees plus government taxes. Okay. Commodity, I'll come on that. Okay. All that charges are covered in this, Karthik. And this is uniform charges across all the brokers, not only Angel One. Okay. Again, if I talk about here, normal buying and stop loss selling. Again, it will cost you only government taxes if it is in stock and 40 rupees plus government taxes if you are doing trading in options and commodity. Same goes with cover order. This is only available for intraday. I have not used that, so I don't know about the charges. But yes, if you're doing this in cover order over here in options trading, guys, then yes, the charges are again same. Same goes with robo order. Again, government charges and same. Normal in stock delivery, these things are not allowed. Cover order and robo order are not allowed, guys, actually. Okay. So if you're doing it intraday, then again the charges are 0.03 paise plus government taxes. I'm coming on to the point that why I'm explaining this, okay, and why it is important. So guys, these are the mainly orders which we use across the stock market to buy and sell. Okay. So now understand this here, guys, what I'm saying. Type. So if you look about it, there's normal sign, normal buying and normal selling. Again, it's a normal thing. I'm not going to explain this. But there's stop loss buy and normal selling. So guys, why we use stop loss buy, you know, once I see, like for example, the price is right now at 40 rupees. Okay. Any asset price is right now at 40 rupees. And based on your analysis, you can see that once my price closes 60, crosses 60, there will be a huge movement in market. Okay. So what we do, you will be placing a stop loss buy order, wherein here you do buying on higher price. Okay. So if you're buying something on higher price over there, you will be required a stop loss buying order. Limit buy. Limit buy is something related to the bargain part. Okay. For example, right now the asset is trading at 60 rupees. You are saying that the price is so much high, I want in 40 rupees. So when asset price is coming to 40 rupees, on that time only your limit buy order will be executed. So here buying on lower price. Here this is a bargain order. Okay. Normal buy, not explained, but limit sell. For example, you bought something on 40 rupees. Like market was giving you at 40 rupees. You bought it at 40 rupees. And now you are telling me, based on your analysis, that Mehul, I know the price will go till 60. So here what you will do? You will place an advance sell order. Sell order of higher price to book profit. Similarly, normal buying and stop loss selling, again, as I said, normal buying I'm not going to explain. But stop loss selling, guys, this stop loss selling is like loss averaging. You buy something at 60 rupees. Okay. Assuming it that price will go up. But now you are telling me that, Mehul, I can only bear loss of 20 rupees, not more than that. Okay. I can only bear loss of 20 rupees, not more than that. So here you know what will happen? You will place an selling order first. Selling order of 40. So maximum loss you will be gaining over here, that is 20 rupees. So this is a loss controlling order. Cover order, in this, what you do? You plan your entry like you are already in. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. So here in cover order, what happens? You have taken your position, okay, in the market. Here what you will do, here in one single order, you will apply your target, you will apply your stop loss. Whatever come first, that will execute. Okay. And then here in robo order, what you do? You plan all your three orders together. Your entry, your exit, and your target. Everything comes in single order. So guys, why I am explaining this right now, guys? To understand market price, okay, it is very important that we should learn this order. Okay. So if you're learning in stocks, guys, you can. But again, there is no movement in that stocks. Like, you won't get that type of volatility. So in options, you have multiple volatilities. So guys, in order to learn options trading and like all the order parts, like this will help you to learn stocks, intraday, and options and commodity. So here what you will be doing while learning this order, guys, like in options trading, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you calculate this, it will cost you to learn this all the orders. 40 into 7. It will cost you 280 rupees, guys, wherein your coordinators will be helping you, guiding you to understand the order structure. Everyone, are you guys getting my point right now? All of you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yeah. So here in this, guys, you know what will happen? Once we start learning about options trading, you will come to know on that time, based on my data, what type of order I have to place. And again, guys, I will be suggesting you one thing. Don't go for options trading initially after learning this risk management. Because after learning this, you will take at least 2 to 3 weeks to understand like how the data is getting channelized in stock market, in live market. Are you guys getting my point right now, all of you? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys, kindly please reply me in chat box, please. All of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. So tomorrow, what are we going to learn, guys? Tomorrow, we are going to learn basics of options trading. Tomorrow, we are going to learn basics of options trading, understanding of strike price, I'm increasing the font size, wait. Apart from, after this, we are going to understand again over here derivative part. This is our topic for tomorrow, guys. Now, one by one, you can ask me all the questions and I will be answering that for you guys.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Hmm.
Can you please suggest which will be the best sources for the analyzing और मतलब जो भी अपनी trading होती है उसको?
In that case, ma'am, you will be having the analysis group, okay, wherein you will be having proper guidance over there, and you will also come to know like what tools like I am using for analysis. Like here, if you see right now, so this is our analysis group, ma'am. This in this, like I have hardly 144 members, and all these 144 members are like from past 7-8 batches. Actually, they are the only active ones who are participating in the analysis in market. Okay, so what happens here, we do share all our market analysis before market opens, and we ask you to share your charts and everything.
Okay.
So based on this, you will come to know. And ma'am, understand, market analysis is very easy. The important part is this one. Are you able to see this support and resistance part? This is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
main important part, which is very hard to understand. But again, daily, if you start practicing this, it will help you to understand like how to make this. Because based on this only, you will be planning all your positions.
Okay.
Over here, this is our pre-market analysis. The FII, DI data, we are daily looking this data. Our Nifty futures. So basically, by doing analysis of future data, by doing analysis of global data, by doing analysis of sectorial data, we do plan our all trades and everything.
Okay.
So you will be learning all these things, ma'am. Don't worry.
When will you get joining with
Ma'am,
this?
I'm planning to give this access on Friday.
Okay. Okay.
At least once you guys are clear with basic terminology after that, because why many terms are over here. Like previously, you guys are not about FII and FPI, but now you guys know who are they, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
there are many things actually. So still
Yes,
there's a
ma'am.
thing, terminology, support and resistance. This is a technical term. Yet I have not started teaching you guys this. Then how can I give you access to this one? So that's the case.
Yes, ma'am. It's a fair one.
Huh? So first, guys, you learn this order placing and everything, okay? And after that, whenever you will be placing order on that time, like guys, understand, you will be only charged from Angel 1 if you are placing order. Otherwise, if you're not placing order, there is no charges, okay? So while actually you are trading in market, if you're trading only for if you're taking only one trade, it will only cost you 40 rupees plus government taxes, nothing else. And maximum time you will be using this order, guys. Stop loss buying, because we never trade in running market. We always trade in breakout and breakdown only.
Ma'am,
Mm,
can you
Yes.
explain this last part once again?
Which one, ma'am?
Uh, Type normal buying on higher price.
Okay. So, ma'am, here this order, I'm not going to explain normal buying and selling, ma'am. It's okay, right?
Okay.
Ma'am, the stop loss buying is something like you did your analysis on chart and you saw that price is going to at one particular part and again coming down. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
now here what you are doing is you're waiting for the breakout point. Once you see that the breakout, you will be placing your order, and after based on that, the more price will go up, you will be earning profit. So right now here what I'm trying to say is, example, your price is right now at trailing at 40 rupees. You saw the chart, you saw that once the price is crossing 60, then definitely price will go up and I will be gaining good profit. So now once market reaches at 60, market is not going to wait for you that let you come and place the order. So what you do, you place an advance buying order over there. If market is crossing the 60 benchmark, then only that order will be placed. Otherwise, that order will be not placed. That is where we use stop loss buy order. Is that clear to you, ma'am? The stop loss
Yeah.
buying?
Yeah, it's clear to me.
Okay. Now coming to the limit buy, ma'am. This limit buy order is like similar to bargain order. Like normally when you go to vegetable market, ma'am, if shopkeeper tells you that the price of 1 kg apple is 100 rupees, what you will do? You will bargain. You will say, give me 80 rupees. Then only I will be buying. Otherwise, I will not buy. So same logic applies over here. What you are doing over here, right now the price of asset is 100 rupees. What are you saying based on your analysis? If it comes on 80, then only I will buy. Otherwise, I will not buy. Okay.
Okay.
So when it comes to 80, then only your order will be active. Otherwise, it will not active.
Okay.
That is where limit buy comes. Okay.
Okay.
Limit sell. You bought something at 80 rupees. You did normal buying. You you did your analysis and you saw the price which I am getting, that is fair enough. It's a good price. You did your normal buying. Limit
Okay.
sell is what? Selling asset at higher price. Like for example, you said, I know the price will go till 100. So you will be placing advance sell order, which is 100 rupees. When it touches 100, automatically market will place that order for you.
Okay.
Again, normal buying, but stop loss selling. You buy something at 40 rupees, ma'am.
Oh.
You said that price will go to 60, but all of a sudden you saw your analysis went wrong. So when analysis goes wrong, ma'am, the very first thing you do is you place a stop loss order. That shows that how much loss you can bear. I am saying that you can bear only 20 rupees loss, not more than that. So you will be placing 20 rupees stop loss order. If price is coming near to 20 or below 20, automatically your position will be squared off from the market, because that is the loss limit which is decided by you. Okay?
Okay, I understand.
Cover order, ma'am. In cover order, what happens? You have taken your entry into market, but now you are applying your target and stop loss in one single order. Okay. In robo order, what happens? You take and you plan your entry, exit, and target, everything in one single order. So once your entry is, like for example, you saw that I want to place an entry right now. Price is right now 20. Okay. What you
Okay.
will say, like once price will cross 40, I will take my entry. Okay. So this is your entry order.
Mm.
40. Then you say, I can take maximum loss of 10 rupees. 30 is your exit order.
Okay.
Target is your 60. Okay. So
Okay.
all these three things will go together in one single order.
Acha.
Okay. So once you place the order number 1, when it comes to 40, this order will get active. Okay. If after that stop loss comes, this order gets active. If target comes, the 60 order will get active. You got the answer, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay. So once you guys do this practically, on that time, you will come to know like why this part is very important actually. Look, guys, again, I'm telling, in market, there are many people who will be giving you assurance of 100% return, 85% return. Never ever get in that scheme. Okay. What I'm saying is right now, take a bid on your own analysis, because you will be having proper calculated loss calculation. But if you're trading on someone else's trade, you don't have control on loss calculation. So there's a very high chance you may lose your like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 10,000 also. So here what I'm saying is, do learn this order first. After that, be a spectator in the group. Look at the analysis. Try to find out logic. Ask me questions. Based on that only, after that you start taking trades, not before that. Is that clear now to all of you?
Yes, sir. But I have one question.
Hmm.
If I set a 60 rupees as a limit sell, till the end of the day, it is not reached the 60. So what will happen?
The odd, like again, here there are two situations now. If you have taken position in carry forward, in that case, your selling order will get cancelled and your position will go for the next day. But if
Okay.
it is in intraday, your selling position, your selling order will be cancelled, and whatever price is there right now, on that same price point, market will give you exit automatic, because that's an intraday order, and intraday order can only be done between 9:15 to 3:30 only.
Oh, got it. Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, yes,
Will
yes.
always exit depend on the entry amount or on which the trading started?
Exit is always dependent on, ma'am. For example, if you have taken entry on 40 rupees, so definitely, ma'am, you will try to gain some profit. After that only you will exit your position, right, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah.
Yep. In case if your analysis goes wrong, over there you will be already, look, everyone knows how to book profit, but no one books a losses. Okay. So normally what I do is, once I take my entry, the very first order I place my stop loss order. In case if things go wrong, it should not go beyond my loss capacity. You got my
Okay.
point, ma'am?
Yes.
And if it is coming target, then it's good for me. Definitely, I will be booking profit then. I
Yeah.
hope you understand, ma'am.
Yes.
Swami Taranji, you can ask your question now.
Hello,
Yes.
ma'am. If entry on 40, ma'am, last
Hmm.
one.
Hmm.
If it faces a loss, then automatically sell,
Right.
ma'am.
So means here what you have done, sir, you have already given all the data to system. That I'm taking entry on 40,
Mm,
maximum loss I can bear, that is 30. And if it is
mm.
crossing 60, then exit my position on profit.
Ah,
So once the
if
price is coming, so once
ah,
the price is coming to the 40, your order will be activated. Your position
mm,
is active now.
mm,
Now two orders are remaining, target and stop loss order. Okay.
ah,
Whichever comes first, that will be executed.
okay, ma'am. If it faces a loss, it automatically sell. Not
Yes,
completed, last target.
right.
Okay, ma'am. Understood.
Okay. Guys, do you guys have any other question for me? Everyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay, great. So guys, recording will be available tomorrow, like before 1 p.m. Okay. Meanwhile, I am sharing this 1 second notes. Give me 1 second.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes, yes, sir.
Ma'am, I had given request to Telegram channel, ma'am, but not accepting, ma'am.
So make sure like your name is properly updated on your profile, because if the profile names are not updated correctly now, they are not accepting the request.
Oh, but okay, ma'am. I will check it, ma'am.
Okay, kindly please check that.
Okay, okay.
And actually, guys, actually I'm not using my tablet, so because of this, I'm just sending note in different parts today.
Ma'am,
Yes,
actually, the guys who are sending us links of these meetings and all, those guys are official or not?
they are official. They are your coordinators.
Yeah, they have made a live session with me.
Okay.
You just told that per day it should be 3 to 4 trades, but they have made me do 19 trades a day.
Actually, sir, I'll be telling you how it is. Okay.
Okay.
They guided you for the risk management. The recently this part we discussed right now, they
Okay.
were teaching you all the different types of order, and after that they asked you to show like how to place the order. So
Oh,
that is the only thing which has happened. Now next, what's the part, sir? You will be getting access to the risk management group. Okay.
okay.
Over there, you just now look how the data is working.
Okay.
Based on that, now you will come to know like when to place stop loss order, when to place stop loss buy order, when to place limit buy, limit sell, and all that.
Okay.
Okay. In that case, still if you are not able to understand, then please don't trade. Ask me questions. I will help you again.
Yeah. I have lost 800 in one day.
So that's the reason I am saying this, sir. In risk management, we ask you to add 800 to 1200. Here
Yeah.
I have written the charges, sir. Look, if you are learning in live market, you have to pay a brokerage in that, sir.
Oh,
Because directly if you go and trade in live market, if your position goes wrong,
oh.
directly you will be using 2000 3000 rupees in that.
Yeah. It took 20 rupees for selling, 20 rupees for buying,
Buying
and
plus
9
government
rupees,
taxes. So
9
here,
rupees for government tax,
yeah,
49 for each.
right. Yep. Yes. You got my point now?
Yeah.
Already I have mentioned everything here, sir.
Oh.
Ma'am,
Yes.
how to contact you?
How to
Hello?
contact me? Okay.
Yes.
You can contact me here. This is my number I have shared in chat. First message me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. First message me. And after that, we'll decide one time and then we'll talk. And Raji ma'am, when I am messaging you, you are not available. When you are messaging me on that time, I am not available. So because of that, I am not able to connect you on call.
Okay, no problem. That's why I have pinged. Whenever you're free, we'll reply you.
But again, so I cannot call you so late, na ma'am. So what I will do is tomorrow, can you remind me at 3:30 p.m.?
For what? Sorry.
No, like last time you messaged me something wherein after that I said like, if you want, I can help you on call. You said yes, you can call me. But post that I was not able to call you.
No. Actually, my query was sorted.
Sorted, na?
Yeah.
Okay, great. In case if there's anything, ma'am, please do get in touch. Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay, great. Thank you. Okay. Anyone
Madam,
else, guys?
Finally, what is meant by commodity, ma'am?
Commodity means here we do trade in crude oil, gold, silver, Brent, all that.
Okay.